are going to learn opposite words with some amazing animals. Let's begin.
Look at this big elephant, and here is a small rat. The giraffe is very tall, but look, the baby giraffe is short. The owl is above the tree, but the grasshopper is below on the ground. The rabbit runs fast, but the turtle moves very slow. The fish is wet in the water, but the snake is drier on land. The monkey is high in the tree, but the snail is low on the ground. The ant is going up the leaf, but the squirrel is coming down the tree. Look, the monkey is smiling, but oh no, the other monkey is frowning. This is a young tiger cub, and here is an old tiger. The fox is hot and sweating, but the wolf is cold and wearing a scarf. Great job, kids! You learned so many opposite words today. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more